Yo, what it is, what it ain't, what it might be. It's your boy Trey Rivers with another video. Today we'll be talking about ways to keep from making costly repairs on your vehicle. Yeah. The first thing is your battery. Make sure you change your battery regularly, not too regularly. It ain't got to be like every week, every month or nothing like that. But make sure you stay up to date on your battery. Your battery that has wear and tear just like everything else, and it's running everything in your car from your radio to your lights to your fuses to the door locks, everything. So it's a lot of wear on the battery, so you'll need to change your battery regularly and stay up to date on your battery. Number 2, keep your fuel above a quarter tank, because what happens when you keep burning your fuel down lower and lower, first off, the lower your fuel gets, the faster it's gonna burn. So the lower it get, the quicker it's gonna get to eat. And also, you can burn out your fuel pump like that, because as the fuel keep getting lower, the fuel pump keep getting warmer and warmer. And then once you put that new gas in the car, the new gas that'll be about 15 degrees Celsius, something like that, going on that hot fuel pump, then it can throw things off whack and it can mess your car up. It won't do it, the first time or the second time, but after a while, wear and tear will happen to your fuel pump, your fuel injection system, all of that, and you'll be out of a quick $300, $400, $500 just that quick. So make sure you stay above, or at least try to stay above a quarter of an empty tank, Yeah. All right, next tip. Always keep a spare tire. Having an extra tire that actually go to your car is better than having a donut. I'm sure you can understand why. Don't nobody want to ride around with no donut. You can't go over 60 miles per hour. It's just all bad. Just get you a spare tire that fits your car, and you'll be better off in the end. Yeah.